Flip your frogs onto the tree as it spins. But watch out for the pop. Your frog could be popped off. The player with the most frogs stuck to the tree wins. Flippin' Frogs game. You put it together. Batteries not included.
Hey, what you got there?
My gigantic Fruity Pebbles.
Inside every little Pebbles flake is a blast of Fruity Pebbles taste.
Pebbles! The little bam!
Oh, Fruity Pebbles cereal, part of a good breakfast.
Little Pebbles? Big taste. How do they do it?
It's an ancient mystery buried deep below bedrock.
But now with these free 3D glasses and marked boxes of Post Fruity Pebbles cereal, you can discover the big secret.
Of the little pieces.
Whoa, sorry.
Martian matter, alien maker. You can make your own army of alien invaders. Mix the molds for all kinds of combinations. You can design your own Martian nation.
Martian matter, alien maker, refilled, sold separately.
Who's got newest pets?
What's new at the new Littlest Pet Shop Clubhouse? Everything. All new pets in an all-new place.
I've never seen one like this before.
Littlest Pet Shop Pets Only Clubhouse. Comes with 2 pets.
How big is your Littlest Pet Shop now?
Horton Hears a Who, today on Deluxe Edition DVD.
Is everything all right down there?
The original Seuss classic is now remastered, including 3 bonus stories and oodles of extras. Horton Hears a Who, today on Deluxe Edition DVD.
Martian matter, alien maker. You can make your own army of alien invaders. Mix the molds for all kinds of combinations. You can design your own Martian nation.
Martian matter, alien maker, refilled, sold separately.
Jim Carrey. Yeah! Steve Carell.
Do I look like an idiot? Oh.
You don't want me to answer that.
This Friday, All Who breaks loose.
Bring the ammo! Yeah!
Horton Hears a Who, rated G. Friday only in theaters.
It's fast. It's easy. It's fun. BeepBeep.com, the area's best site to shop for cars online. Find the vehicle you want when you want it. Shop by payment, price, vehicle description, dealership, and more. Get a quote sent directly to your email. Fast, easy, fun. BeepBeep.com. Log on today, drive home tomorrow.
Dolt Chevrolet is Rochester's truck headquarters, delivering the best in savings and...
A new force of evil is arising. Every pirate must band together to fight his dark magic.
Not good.
Live the life of a notorious pirate as you join Jack Sparrow and thousands of players in Pirates of the Caribbean Online. Captain your ship, battle fierce enemies, live the legend. You can play for free at piratesonline.com. Rated E10 for ages 10 and up.
Who's the one for 8-leg fun?
Octopus from Play-Doh.
Now you can play the 8-leg way for squishy, squashy fun all day.
Squeeze, squish, flip a fish.
Who's the one for 8-leg fun?
Octopus from Play-Doh.
Comes with everything you see here.
Kids. Hey, kids.
Forget up and go, why not get your kids to Chuck E. Cheese's? They'll have a blast and burn some energy, too.
Where a kid can be a kid. The Red Robin Department of Deliciousness is famous for its dedication to barbecue. This is where the world-famous barbecue burger was born. The combination of the barbecue sauce and the crispy onion straws makes it one of our most craveable burgers, which is why we put up these red ropes. And the electric fence. And the plexiglass wall. Okay, who wants to see the pickle room?
Nobody makes gourmet burgers like we do. Uniquely created to be insanely delicious.
Hey, Robin. Yum.
This Friday, All Who breaks loose.
Right in the beak!
Jim Carrey, Steve Carell, Horton Hears a Who, rated G.
Yeah!
Friday.
Here's a Who, today on Deluxe Edition DVD.
Is everything all right down there?
The original Seuss classic is now remastered, including 3 bonus stories and oodles of extras. Horton Hears a Who, today on Deluxe Edition DVD.
Cheese!
Okay. Now. And now. Oh, all right.
Okay. Is this thing working?
Oh, it's working.
Ah, the smell of success.
Crazy good!
Okay, this stuff is really amazing. I mean, I put it in my mouth and I taste watermelon, but it's not just that. I taste strawberry too, but it's kind of like a watermelon-y strawberry put together. Hey, hang on. Sorry about that. And the bubbles are really awesome. I mean, that's why they call it Max. I guess, obviously, that sort of makes sense once you think about it. Oh, I'm Dan, and that's Chuck.
Hubba Max. A whole new kind of bubble. Hey!
Kids. Hey, kids.
For Get Up and Go, why not get your kids to Chuck E. Cheese's? They'll have a blast and burn some energy, too.
Where a kid can be a kid.
B-A-R-B-I-E. Wanna find a style that's new? Braid it! Braid it thin, braid it thick, braid it easy, braid it quick.
Everything you need to braid it automatically.
B-A-R-B-I-E. Color it! Color it pink, pink, color it blue, blue, color it like a darker too.
Change your hair, then change your fashion.
Color it, and braid it too, be the you wanna be, Barbie girl.
Braided Barbie doll and colored Summer doll each sold separately. Color washes out.
The Transformers battle for the Allspark rages on. The Allspark's power to turn vehicles into Transformers robots has created new Decepticons, Stockade, and Incinerator, with one thing on their mind: destruction. But the Earth has a new Autobot on its side as Landmine prepares to take a stand. The Decepticons have him outnumbered, but a hero comes to the rescue: Nightwatch Optimus Prime. The battle's far from over. Which side are you on? Autobot or Decepticon? Transformers figures each sold separately. Actual change time will